Hello kid, are you ready for today? Today we are going to draw and color a tree house. Ready? Okay, before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Okay, let's start it. First, we will draw the tree, of course. We draw a lot of branches, and it is a big tree, a large tree. Now we draw the roof of the house. Okay, then don't forget to give a chimney, the window, the door, the window, and don't forget the stair, because you have to climb. You have to climb to this house. Now we draw the leaves of the tree. We decorate the tree, a beautiful tree, and a strong one too. Then we draw grass here. Now we start coloring the tree branches, and then the leaves, the grass, and the tree, and the house, the roof of the house, the chimney. Beautiful, right? And we give some color to the window. Another here, and here, and don't forget the door. Beautiful. Now we give some details. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the drawing and the coloring. Do you like it, kids? I hope you like it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe the channel, kids. Thank you and bye bye.